Welcome to a day in our office for International Women's Day. I'm Freya, one of our admin assistants. This is Jess, our client engagement officer, Rob, one of our financial advisors, and Ash and Amy, some more financial advisors. This is Kel, our marketing manager, and Tracy, who's our portfolio administration and Elle, the portfolio admin assistant, Janelle, who is our compliance manager, and the lovely Olivia Blair, who's one of our financial advisors. She's giving us a bit of a happy International Women's Day speech there, and the lovely Rachel Todman, another financial advisor. We were pretty lucky. We got to work with Will Robertson from the Adventurous Kind Media on doing some new updated staff photos today. So watch this space for them. And the lovely Jess did a beautiful morning tea for International Women's Day. She did some gorgeous little carrot cake muffins and cupcakes for us, and then we just had our meeting.